All right, number 7, it says, look at the equation and determine what transformations occurred. So we can see this was the basic equation was a y equals x squared. Okay, it's a quadratic. Okay, it's a parabola. What did we do to this parabola? Well, first of all, we put a negative out front. What did that negative do? That guy is going to flip it over the x-axis, is what it does. Basically, for you and me, here's our normal parabola. It's going to flip it going the other way. Okay, it's just flipping it across the x-axis. That's what the negative does, makes it face downwards. Well, inside to this x, you and I subtracted a 3. That actually makes it shift to the right 3 units. It does the opposite. On the inside there, it always does the opposite. You would think subtracting 3 would make it move left. No, it makes it move to the right 3 units. And then finally, the outside piece, we simply added 4. That's going to shift it up 4 units. It's the same thing every time. We're just looking inside what we do to the x. It'll be the opposite of what we think. Then outside of the part of the x piece is what's going to shift it up or down. And then simply, if you have a negative out front, it's going to make it flip over the x-axis. Number 8. Okay, what did we do here? Okay, let's look right here. Let's just deal with this part first. This is a square root, right, which looks like that. So how did we move it? Well, when we added 5 to the x in there, that made it move left 5 units. Out here, we subtracted 1 on the outside of it. That will simply move it down 1 unit. We didn't make it flip over the x-axis because we don't have a negative, but we do have a 2, which makes it sort of increase a little bit. Now, the wording I said to do is we said, oh, does it stretch vertically or stretch horizontally? As we do this, it stretches vertically. So in other words, it shoots up a little more quickly. Okay, so that 2 is going to make it stretch vertically. So it's going to make it sort of go up a little bit faster than it normally would because we're multiplying by 2. So it's making the y value go up faster. So we would say it, what I asked you to do is call it stretch vertically. It's going to stretch vertically. Okay.